Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at something quite interesting for anyone in a tube audio, a pair of KT88 tubes. Now, what makes these particular tubes stand out, based on the information available, is their stated ability to serve as direct replacements for a range of other power tubes commonly found in hi-fi amplifiers. We're talking about tubes like the KT120, KT88, TII, KT100, KT66, and the classic 6550. This kind of broad compatibility is a significant feature for tube amplifier owners. The KT88 is generally known for its robust performance and dynamic sound characteristics. It's a beam tetrode that can deliver substantial power, often associated with a solid bass foundation, clear mid-range, and extended treble, while still retaining the desirable tube warmth. When a tube like this is designed to replace several others, it opens up possibilities for amplifier owners. It means someone with an amp originally designed for, say, a 6550 or even a KT120 might be able to swap in these KT88s, assuming the amplifier is compatible and biased correctly, which is always crucial when swapping tube types. The potential impact of such a swap can vary. Replacing a 6550 with a KT88 might yield more power and a slightly different tonal balance, perhaps more dynamic punch. Swapping out a KT120, which is a higher power tube, for a KT88 might result in a bit less ultimate power, but could introduce a different flavor of sound, maybe a touch more classic KT88 richness or a different presentation of dynamics. The KT66, being an ancestor to the KT88, shares some characteristics, but the KT88 typically offers more power and a bolder sound. The KT100 and KT88 TII are variations or higher power versions of the KT88 family. So swapping to a standard KT88 might slightly alter the power output or fine-tune the sound signature. These tubes are presented as a pair, which is standard for stereo amplifiers that use 2 power tubes per channel or a push-pull configuration. The focus here is clearly on hi-fi audio amplifier applications. For someone looking to experiment with the sound of their existing tube amp without buying a whole new piece of equipment, or perhaps needing replacements for hard-to-find or expensive KT120S or KT100S, these KT88S offer a potentially convenient and cost-effective solution. The versatility they claim is their most compelling aspect, allowing users to explore different sonic textures within their amplifier's capabilities. It's always recommended to check amplifier compatibility and bias settings before making any tube swaps, especially between different types. But the design intent here is clearly to provide a flexible option for tube rolling enthusiasts. The promise is to deliver the classic KT88 sound, while offering broad compatibility across several popular tube types used in high-fidelity audio systems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.